Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how I create my clear lip gloss. So first things first, I am starting with my Versagel. I'm weighing that out. And the next ingredient I will be using will be the polyisobutene. I love this stuff. It makes your lip gloss so smooth. I actually got this one from makingcosmetics.com. But yeah, it's a great ingredient for clear lip gloss. It makes it smooth and ultra shiny, so you definitely want to add that when you're making a clear gloss. Then you want to be weighing out the following ingredients, which would be your oils. And especially when you are making clear gloss, you want to ensure that the oils you are using are also clear. So oils such as jojoba, coconut oil, are just perfect because they're clear. They're not going to make your lip gloss cloudy. So I'm just weighing that out, as you can see. Next is my preservatives and my flavoring oils. I'm just adding a few drops of that. You definitely want to add a preservative when you are making a lip gloss. I know there's this misconception out there that if the product is oil-based, you do not need to use a preservative, but you definitely want to add a preservative on there. You can use Cap 2 or Cap 5 from a TKB Trading. Okay, so definitely add a preservative to your gloss. Again, this is going on someone's lip, so you definitely want to ensure that you have taken all the precautions to ensure that your customer will be safe and will be fine when using your product. So once everything has been weighed out, you want to keep mixing and ensuring that the consistency is where you need it to be, which it should be, because if you are following a formula, it should come out the same every time. And keep in mind that formulas are written in percentages. Okay, percentages, not teaspoon, but percentages. So as you can see right now, I am just preparing my syringes to be filled so that I can fill my tubes that I use. So as you can see here, I'm filling my tubes. I know it's very hard to not have air bubbles when you're making clear gloss. For me, it doesn't really bother me that much. My customers have not complained about the air bubbles, but I know one way to decrease that is to actually hold your syringe on an angle, and that should eradicate some of the air bubbles. But now, as you can see, I'm just putting my stoppers in there, the wipers actually, and yeah. And of course, the last and final step that you want to do is cleaning off your tubes. You want to either use a disinfectant wipe or you want to use a disinfecting water solution. Okay, loves, and there you have it. Beautiful, smooth, soft, and super shiny clear gloss. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you definitely want to stay tuned for more formulating videos. I am super excited to bring that to you guys, and good luck on your formulating and lip gloss making journey. You guys are awesome.